Hi, I'm going to discuss about compounding of offense. Normally, people fear the compounding, but it's a provision given under various acts, including in the RBI Master Circulars and also in the Companies Act. Once we do some non-compliance or we do some offense under some way, some act, we feel or we fear that it cannot be done good now, and we try to hide it or just make good how it can be hidden. But we often forget to go for compounding. We normally fear the compounding, but compounding is making good the offense or the non-compliance by payment of certain fee. This is a very good provision, and we as a profession should avail this. It's available to all the companies depending on the offense under various acts, under Companies Acts also, and also it's there in the RBI provisions if there is some non-compliance or offense happened. Now coming to the Companies Act, we see there are various offence or various non-compliance which is there under the Companies Act, and there is a provision for compounding also. That is called compounding of offence. It was there in the earlier Companies Act also, Companies Act 1956, and it's also there in the new Companies Act, which is Companies Act 2013. Companies Act contains the section 441 which deals with the compounding. Now for compounding, there will be types of offences, means there are certain offences which can be compounded and there are certain offences which cannot be compounded. The offence which cannot be compounded are number one, the offence which are punishable with imprisonment only, and number two, the offences which are punishable with imprisonment and fine. These two types of offences cannot be compoundable, which goes to say that in case the offences which are chargeable with fine only, that is compoundable, and the offences which the penalty for which is fine or imprisonment, then this type of offences can also be compoundable. Now there are various jurisdictions under the Companies Act. There are two basically. One is the Regional Director Office and one is the NCLT. The offences involving the penalty of less than 25 lakhs are compoundable with the Office of Regional Director, and the offences for which the penalty is more than 25 lakhs, for that the company has to go for NCLT for the purpose of compounding. The process is simple: hold a board meeting, calculate the compounding fee, then prepare a petition and submit it to the relevant authority. There you get the hearing. Based on your non-compliance or based on your severity, they decide the fee for compounding, basically which is the penalty, and they issue an order of compounding. Once you receive the order of compounding, then you have to pay the fee and get the receipt, and your offence is compounded. That means there is no offence committed by the company, and any non-compliance which has been done unintentionally or with no intent of criminal mind, you can go with fair hands, with clean hands to the authority, and that gets compounded. Similarly, in the RBI Acts also, there is provision for compounding, and there is a compounding authorities. It is based on the types of transactions. Like FDI related matters are compounded at the regional office. Like in Delhi, we have to go to Parliament Street, the FED section of the RBI. FCTRS, delay in filing FDI or any non-compliance, these are dealt here in Delhi, that is in the regional offices. And for compounded, like related to ODI or the ECB, those are compounded at the head office, which is in Mumbai. So the process is also the same. You have to approach the authority with clean hands, stating all the facts and reasons why it happened, and file a petition giving all the details. The fee is rupees 5,000, which is to be payable by a demand draft, and they call for hearing. There you can present your views, and they calculate the compounding fee as per the directions, their internal guidance. And once you receive the compounding order, you have to make the payment of the fee, get a receipt, and your offence is compoundable. I hope this will going to help you, and instead of hiding an offence or non-compliance, you go for compounding with the various authority, the relevant authority, and your default is made good and the non-compliance is no more there. Thank you very much.